Sick of constantly losing money on the charts? Then this is exactly what you need. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're keeping things incredibly simple. I am going to prove to you why deving your own meme coins is infinitely better than trading them. It brings in more consistent gains, and trust me, it's changed my life. Now I have top-of-the-line cars, a luxury house, and everything you dreamed of. No paid courses, no paid groups, only free knowledge, which I wanted when I was a beginner. So in the video, you can see the raw numbers for yourself. Let's do it. Keep your eyes locked on this video if you want a free coin. Throughout the video, I'll be randomly dropping one sol for multiple viewers at unexpected moments, so don't leave early. Your chance could appear anytime before the end. Let me tell you exactly why you have to stop trading and start deving, because once you see why, you clearly cannot unsee it. Now look, as a trader, every single time you buy a coin, okay, you are entering into a game that was designed before you arrived. What I mean by that is that most of these coins end up going to zero. They get no volume, and once they pump, they just dump. And even if you make a small profit, maybe on the next coin you might lose all your money, because most of these coins, okay, I would say around 91% of all coins end up going to zero, just like this coin, for example. Every single time you buy or sell a coin, there's a fee that goes into the pockets of these devs. Your buying pressure pushes the price up and gains way more attention for the dev. At the end of the day, it's the dev that's winning. He's making money off everybody's buying and selling. And that's exactly why you have to transition into deving. It's more interesting because you have nothing to lose when you're launching coins. It costs nothing to create a meme coin. And then, when you sell your supply, you will up generation wealth. As a dev, you are not entering someone else's game. You are just building your own. The liquidity pool is yours. You see that you manage it and you remove it whenever you choose. It's up to you if you want to cash out here, or at the top. And in this video, I will be exposing my step-by-step deving strategy on exactly how I find my narratives, how I create them and turn them into coins, how I launch them on Solana. I will even top it off with a live example in the second half of this video to see how much I can make from a launch. Anyways, let's get right to it. Now let's talk about where to actually launch your coin, because this is a decision that determines everything else for your deving career, right? Now most people default to Pump.Fun when deving coins. It is the most well-known name in the space, so it feels like the obvious starting point to create coins. And yes, the process looks simple enough from the outside, but the moment you actually create and launch a coin, you will realize that no one is going to buy your coin and you were just wasting your time. Pump.Fun is completely saturated. Thousands of tokens are launching every single day, and the feed moves so fast that organic visibility is essentially non-existent. Your coin goes live, and it gets no buyers. And on top of that, you don't even control your own coins and your own liquidity pool, so you cannot even dump the coin if you wanted to. That's why people are shifting away to Ethereum, BNB, or other dexes because of this. But I personally have a different approach. I launch in the migration section instead. It's the Raydium dex. It's basically like level 2 of Pump.Fun. When a coin goes to Raydium, right, it gets a bunch of attention, a bunch of eyeballs, a bunch of volume, a bunch of buyers. And if you have a good narrative, bro, let me tell you this, it can go viral, okay? It gets a bunch of attention. This coin was the last migrated. It pumped a lot, and the dev made easily over 10 grands, okay? Now that is exactly where we'll be launching. Now look, to make a coin to Raydium, do not use Pump.Fun because of all the requirements and because you don't control the coins. Instead, use Launchmeme.Fun. It's the best launchpad for Raydium. You control the liquidity pool and it goes to Raydium. That's why people are gatekeeping this external launchpad. Now, to make a token, okay, you have multiple options. You could either create a coin from scratch, custom made, okay? If you have a narrative, a community, or some type of news, like the hantavirus that is going viral recently, you can turn anything into a coin. Or you can use the free X tracker, right? You can use their Twitter tracker and turn tweets that are coming out every single second into coins. So, for example, bro, if Trump does a tweet, you can turn that immediately into a coin before everyone else. But the copy trending coins tab is my personal favorite. I've made the majority of my money from vamping coins here. Basically, all these coins are going viral. They all have a good narrative, and they're all getting a bunch of attention and buyers, okay? That is exactly why they're on this list right here. They're proven with a viral narrative. So instead of creating a coin from scratch, you can just use these viral, Pump.Fun coins and relaunch them back to Raydium to get a bunch of attention and a bunch of buyers and possibly surpass the coin that you copied. That's why it's so insane. But anyway, guys, now it's time to make some money. Let's dev a coin and then see how much we can make right now, bro. Keep watching. It's going to be insane. Let's go. Now click your Phantom wallet, click on refresh, and look for a coin to copy, bro. I usually just copy a random coin. I will just go for the Trump whale coin, right? Click on copy to Raydium. Your Phantom wallet is going to show up. And ignore the block, click on proceed, and then I understand and confirm, checkbox confirm, and then the coin will be created. The block is completely normal for all Launchpads, okay? Just remember that. And bang, now if I go on SolScan, it's minted on the Solana blockchain, so it's legit. Now go back to the site and click create liquidity. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now here is where we create our liquidity pool for our coin. We control the supply, and like that the coin goes to Raydium. Obviously, that's our point. Now there are two easy steps. The first step is for the coins. Just click on 90% for all your devs. I do that for all my devs, okay? Now for the amount of SOL, put anywhere from 0.3 to 1 SOL. Anywhere over that is kind of useless because you will hold too much supply. I'm going to put 0.3 SOL. Obviously, you are not going to lose this. You can get this back at any moment, whether it's, during the launch, after the launch, or just right now. It's not a fee, nothing. So click on create pool. Your Phantom wallet is going to show up, yes sir, and ignore the block, click on confirm, and boom. After that, bro, you can see our pool live and P&L are moving, and if you want to check how much you make, just hit refresh and boom. We're up around $70 and it shows that the pool is successfully created and open for people to trade. Well, that is the proof of concept for copying coins. Now click on view on Photon. You guys can use any other platform, let the coin load properly, and see guys, buyers are in, and a lot of transactions are happening. Now having a coin is great, but if nobody knows it exists, nobody buys. We are not going to manually spam Twitter. We are going straight to promote memes.fun to automatically get instant exposure on Deck Screener, GMGN, and Birdeye. Connect the Phantom wallet and paste your token address. I am selecting the advanced 0.5 SOL package. You can use whatever you want and make sure you enable include free website. Here, upload your logo, set your token name, select Raydium, and select your preferred theme. I'm going with the black one, and just click confirm. As you can see, our website preferences are saved and good to go now. Click pay and promote. Wait for the Phantom wallet to pop up. This is a confirmation request. Click confirm. Within seconds, it starts building a clean website and starts pushing your coin to thousands of traders. Boom! The website is ready now. Click the website link and it will redirect to a page where you can see our token details and tokenomics. You can also add the token website link to your socials. Let's go over to Photon to view the chart. What the freak, bro? Are you looking at this? It's exploding. We're already up like 1,000 bucks. This is insane. This is exactly why I endorse creating coins so much. This cost us nothing to create, like look bro, and we're already up like more than a band, maybe, or even more than half a band. Like this is insane. And this is the power of copying coins, right? Now I'm gonna give this coin a couple of minutes. For you guys it might be a couple of seconds because of the time lapse, but yeah, I'm gonna be right back. Alright guys, I am back, and look guys, we are up around 3,000 market cap and 2,000 liquidity, bang bro. Now without further delay, let's cash out on our meme coin, okay? Let's sell our supply, come back to the site, and obviously bro, click on the refresh button, and as you guys can see here bro, 2K is what we are going to receive right now if we cash out. So let's do that really quick. Click on the minus button, do 100% remove liquidity. Your Phantom wallet is going to show up. Just ignore the block like usual. Click on confirm, wait for a few seconds as liquidity is removed. Bang! That's it. Done. That's exactly how to do it, bro. I just showed you exactly step by step on how to dev a coin. Now, if I open my Phantom wallet, boom, $2,983 are in my wallet at the start of the video. I only have 9 SOL, but now I have almost 35 SOL in total. In a couple of minutes, is it not insane? So you guys have to start deving right now, okay? Stack up that portfolio. Launch coins. Be consistent, okay? Consistency is key. And yes, it is a repeatable method, bro. You have to stay consistent. You have to be launching multiple coins a day. The results will always be different. Maybe on one coin you might make $4,500 and sometimes $7,000, $30,000, or $5,000. You never know, bro, but you have to stay consistent on all your devs. If you want a chance to win free Soul for your next launch, here's the last giveaway winner, and here's how you can join too. Subscribe, drop a like, and comment DevMeme Coin below. I'm giving someone a boost to help fund their next coin project. The winners will be revealed inside my Discord and Telegram communities, so make sure you join both. If you're not following there, you won't qualify for the giveaway.